Hey y'all, welcome back to Mandy's Southern Stitching, and today we have an unboxing. It's about 3 weeks too late, but had a lot going on trying to get quilts made and get some things off my completed list so I can get started on more stuff. So here we are. This is the March, or I would say end of February, 1st of March, door banner club. Excuse me, it's been a long day. Door banner club project. This one I think is actually for May, because the last one was Easter, which was the end of March, 1st of April, so effectively April. So this one's May. This one looks like it's like a couple of tulips, and it looks like they're traditionally pieced. I'm going to open it up and we're going to find out. Its finished size is 20 by 36. It's Riley Blake, and it is by Fran Gulick of Cotton and Joy. Okay, just put it up there. I can see that if you. I love these little boxes. Sorry, my dog just hit the door. She's not that bright. I love these boxes with the magnetic closures. I've got to figure out something to do with them, but I just love them right now. It'd be great for gifts, for small gifts. Christmas time. That way you really don't have to even wrap it because it's really pretty. You can just put a bow on it. Alright, so here it is. We have a pattern and some fabric. You can get in here and get it out. So we have a pattern here. I can't show you the pattern details, but you know, it's a pretty pattern. And it does look like it is traditionally pieced, just by looking on the inside. Very simple. Like, this would probably, once I got it cut, probably take me just a few hours to make. And it looks like they pretty much did just a simple like basket or square quilting on all of them, just probably because they're smaller. I'll probably put this one on my long arm and find a tulip or some kind of floral motif for my pantographs and quilt it up that way. It just depends. Depends on how quick I want to get it done. I'm going to try to get it started at the end of this week. And it looks like there's a pattern correction in here too, or a cutting chart. But I'm going to slide in here so I don't lose it, because they give you just one little thing of fabric here. So they want to make sure you don't cut wrong or you don't get all their pieces, or you have to piece them together. But these are pretty little dot fabrics. There's a darker pink and pink on pink, and then there's a lighter pink right here. It's real pretty. That's for the tulips, and then of course there's a peachy light baby pink, I would call kind of a peachy baby peach, baby pink color for the tulips. And then you have some greens for the stems and leaves. And then I believe this is the background. It's just a pink dot, very pretty. I like. That's the biggest piece, so I'm assuming that's the background. And it looks like it's got just a tiny, looks like it doesn't have a border per se, but more of a, just the binding is going to be this darker color. So yeah, very pretty. I can't wait to get started on it and get it on my door, because Easter is tomorrow. I'm filming this on Saturday before Easter, and it's about time to get the door banner off of my quilt room door here. I found this is where I decided to put them. I'll show you guys. Excuse my nasty quilt room. I have to get it cleaned up on my project list. But if you can see, there is Happy Easter on the door. It's on my quilt room door. So I get a little dose of festiveness as I walk into my quilt room every day. So that's about it for this unboxing. The next one actually shipped today, so it will be here sometime next week, and we'll do an unboxing of it. It is, I think, for June. It's a summer one, or May. This may be April. I'm not quite sure, but they're usually a couple of months ahead, so that you can get them done in time for that particular month. So I'm believing that one will be June. I think this is May. I think this one's called Mayflowers. May and Bloom. It is May and Bloom. So this one's May. So, all right, guys. We'll talk to you later. Happy Easter, and we'll see you next time on Mandy Southern Stitching. Bye now.